Happy Thanksgiving from Bath Blessing Box. It's pretty casual today as we're finishing up our packing, and hopefully your box has either arrived or will be on its way very soon. This is our Bath Blessing Box, our beautiful new design from Bouillonné Branding, and we wanted to open our box quickly before you got busy with all of your Thanksgiving preparations. So in our beautiful box for November is Tantalizing the Senses. This is our sanctuary box. We do offer a babe box, which is a little smaller, but we're gonna do the unboxing of the sanctuary box today. So you can see all of the goodies in our premium state. So as you open your beautiful box, see you have protective papers in there, and first thing you're going to see usually is our bath sanctuary checklist, just a little sweet love note of all the things that we're going to be providing for you over the course of a year, and the things that you have around your house that you can gather to make a beautiful sanctuary of your bath. So we're going to dive right into our products. We have our 2 cards on top, our inventory list of what's in the box, and we're going to go over those right now. And we also have our signature Count Your Blessing checklist. This is a wonderful week to count your blessings as we all celebrate Thanksgiving together here in the U.S. And on the back, you will have lots of wonderful things that you can do for suggestions for yourself and your family, including things outdoors, verses to ponder, how to be a giver, what things to do for others in your relationship, and very importantly, how to love yourself. And that's what the Bath Blessing Box is all about. Our first item, it's very large. We're very excited to offer Natural Essentials Body Wash. Eucalyptus, ginger, and spearmint scent that is absolutely a wonderful fall favorite. You will love this body wash. It's large, it's 8.5 ounces, and it has a wonderful quality that's one of my favorites, in that you can pour a little bit of it into your running bath water and you will have a wonderful bubble bath, as well as it's a pure body wash. It's all natural, it's wonderful in the shower, it's invigorating, and it has lots and lots of baths and showers in this large bottle. So enjoy, practice deep breathing when you're using it. You will love the Natural Annie Essentials Body Wash. Thank you, Natural Essentials Annie, for providing that for us this month. We're very happy to feature it. And we also have 2 very large bath bombs in our box this month to go with the theme of Tantalizing Your Senses. We have a Peppermint Tea Tree bath bomb, which is just incredible. It makes your whole bath very, very spicy and feels wonderful. You will love it. It's very soothing and invigorating. We also have a lemongrass bath bomb, which is one of my personal favorites. We did a healthy tip on lemongrass this month, so you can read about some of the reasons why lemongrass is very good to have in your life. And for our Artisan soap, we did Peppermint Tea Tree soap, which goes along with our theme. This is a wonderful soap. Just the smell is delightful. I like to keep a bar of it close by, and if you need a little pick-me-up, you just smell this soap. It is wonderful in the shower. These Artisan soaps have the beautiful rough edge from being made in an artisan way. It smells wonderful. It lasts a long time. You can even cut it and put a piece in the shower, a piece in the by your bathtub, or even in a guest bath. Let everybody enjoy this soap because it's delightful. Peppermint Tea Tree from Bath Blessings. We have a large Spongelle of coconut verbena. It's green, going along with our theme of Tantalizing Your Senses. This coconut verbena is one of my favorites. It smells absolutely delightful. If you're not familiar with Spongelle, it's a wonderful sponge infused with essential oils and lavender goodies that make exfoliating and washing at the same time an experience. It's very convenient. This is a 5-use Spongelle, and you will love it. It lasts longer than that, but that is it. Its intended use is 5 uses. The coconut verbena is a must-have. You'll want to get this if you haven't already. And then if you got the shower steamer option, the shower steamers this month is Mental Focus plus another bonus. At Mental Focus, you put this disc in the corner of your shower, and it is absolutely delightful. It makes it like an aromatherapeutic spa, and the mist just hits with the disc in the corner of your shower, and it creates this wonderful aroma that you will want to experience. I hope you enjoy the Mental Focus if you chose shower steamers. And this, our last thing that we're boasting about is from the Bomb Gals. It is Restore and Relax luxurious body butter, excuse me, and it is luxurious. It's tingly, it's light, it's airy, it's not real heavy, it moisturizes. It has an incredible healing property that just makes, if you have a little scratch or a bobo or anything like that on your arms or legs, it just makes it feel like it's gonna be okay. It just feels good. And you will have to experience it to really understand how wonderful it is. So if you have not gotten your November box, be sure to order right away for your Bath Blessing box. Our box is available until we run out of stock, until the end of November. And we have a special now that if you order one of our extended plans of 6-month or 12-month plans, you'll get the November box. You'll get an extra with your December as well. So you'll have an extra gift to give away at Christmas time, or to just keep for yourself. So whether you're giving away a subscription or getting a subscription for yourself, you'll have that extra box to either give or share or keep. So remember to relax, rinse, and repeat, and have a wonderful, happy Thanksgiving. And look tomorrow in your inbox if you're on our email list. If you're not, go over to our website, bathblessing.com, and sign up for our Bath Blessing Box email, because we will have a wonderful surprise starting tomorrow for our Black Friday special, as well as we have a giveaway with the Spongelle company, which is very exciting. It will be announced tomorrow, but you can still enter for the giveaway tonight. Be sure to join our email list. You will absolutely love the emails that we send with healthy tips, relaxation tips, as well as a scoop on what's coming. Have a great and wonderful Thanksgiving to you and yours.